Preparation memorized solution. The magician memorizes a specific sequence of moves that can solve the cube from a particular scrambled state. This requires extensive practice and familiarity with the cube. Pre-solved cube. The magician starts with a cube that is already solved or in a known state. They then perform a series of moves that appear to scramble the cube but actually leave it in a state that can be quickly solved with a few moves. Gimmicked cube. Some magicians use a cube that has been altered to make it easier to solve quickly. This could involve magnets, special lubricants, or even a cube that is designed to look scrambled when it is actually solved. Performance scrambling the cube. The magician shows the audience a scrambled cube. If using a pre-solved cube, the magician performs a series of moves that look like scrambling but actually leave the cube in a solvable state. Misdirection. While the audience is focused on the cube, the magician uses misdirection to distract them from the actual solving process. This could involve talking, making gestures, or using other props. Quick solving. The magician then performs the memorized sequence of moves to solve the cube. This sequence is often very short and can be executed in a matter of seconds. Reveal. The magician shows the audience the solved cube, often with a flourish to emphasize the apparent impossibility of the feat. Techniques algorithmic solving. The magician uses a known algorithm to solve the cube. This requires a deep understanding of the cube's mechanics and a lot of practice to perform quickly. Palming. The magician may palm the cube or use sleight of hand to hide certain moves, making it appear as though the cube is being solved faster than it actually is. Dual cubes. Some magicians use two cubes, one that is pre-solved and one that is scrambled. They switch between the two during the performance to create the illusion of a quick solve. Practice and skill cube familiarity. The magician must be very familiar with the Rubik's Cube, including its mechanics and solving algorithms. Speed and precision. Quick and precise movements are essential to make the trick convincing. Misdirection. Effective use of misdirection is crucial to keep the audience from noticing the actual solving process. Example routine introduction. The magician introduces the cube and shows it to the audience, emphasizing that it is fully scrambled. Scrambling. The magician performs a series of moves that appear to scramble the cube further but actually leave it in a solvable state. Misdirection. While talking to the audience, the magician quickly executes the solving algorithm. Reveal. The magician shows the solved cube to the audience, often with a dramatic gesture. Conclusion. The Rubik's Cube magic trick is a combination of skill, practice, and showmanship. By using memorized algorithms, misdirection, and sometimes gimmicked cubes, magicians can create the illusion of solving the cube in an impossibly short amount of time. The key to a successful performance lies in the magician's ability to execute the moves quickly and smoothly while keeping the audience engaged and distracted from the actual method.